definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.
VPP legislator from Nongkrem, Arden Miller Basaimot, said that the roster system should be put on hold as it will have widespread ramifications on the citizen of the state. Raising this issue while participating in the debate on the budget speech on the 6th day of the budget session, Basaimot said that the current reservation policy allocates 40 seats each to the Garos and Khasis, with the general being allotted 20 seats. Meanwhile, Voice of People's Party legislator today displayed the map of Meghalaya on the floor of the assembly to depict that the different areas claimed by Assam falls under the state. The VPP legislator Bright Star Well Marbanyang and Adalbert Nongrum were holding the map, while his party legislator Arden Miller Basaimot was on his feet to take part in the short duration discussion moved by Congress legislator Charles Marngar.
To raise or to speak on the issue of roster system. We don't have any intention or ill feeling against any particular community. And I would like also to express very clearly that we are not against the roster system. We are not against the roster system. However, we want that the government should put on hold the implementation of roster system pending the review of the reservation policy. We have the problem with the reservation policy, not with the roster system.
Meghalaya BJ